Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a jaw-dropping story for you. Imagine this. A routine training flight suddenly turns into one of the most dramatic defections in aviation history. Yeah, we're talking about Major Huang Zhicheng, the Taiwanese fighter pilot who defected to China in 1981 with his American-built F-5F jet fighter. Let's dive into this chilling tale. On August 8, 1981, Major Huang Zhicheng took off for what seemed like a regular training flight. But Huang had other plans. Unknown to his co-pilot, Lieutenant Xu Qiuling, Huang was about to change the course of their lives. As they flew towards mainland China, Xu realized something was wrong. Huang reassured him, saying he would ensure his safe return. With fuel running low, Huang made a critical decision. He allowed Xu to parachute out near the Taiwanese coast. Xu landed safely and was rescued while Huang continued his journey across the Formosa Strait. He landed the F-5F jet at a People's Liberation Army base in Fujian, China. This move stunned Taiwan and the world. China wasted no time in capitalizing on this defection. Huang was instantly turned into a sensation, awarded nearly $400,000, and appointed as the Deputy Commandant of China's Aviation Academy. He was paraded like a celebrity, attending rallies and making public appearances, including a high-profile meeting at the Great Hall of the People. But why did Huang make such a drastic move? According to him, his primary motivation was to aid China in developing its air force. He had meticulously planned his defection over 3 months. However, he almost jeopardized his plan just 2 days before the event. A careless comment, "This is my last drink with you guys," raised suspicions. Fortunately, Huang managed to convince his superior officer that he was merely drunk. Internationally, the media played it cool, but China used this event to bolster its narrative of peaceful reunification under Deng Xiaoping. They portrayed Huang's defection as a sign of Taiwanese people's desire for reunification with the mainland. Huang's story is a stark reminder of the lengths to which nations will go during times of conflict. They aim to entice key personnel from the opposing side, seeking every advantage possible. This defection was not just a sensational event, but a strategic move that had significant military and political implications. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content.